Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. Many iPhone users are reporting that their ear speaker not working. They cannot hear anything or low volume while calling. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Set call audio routing to speaker. Go to Settings app. Next, tap on Accessibility. Tap on Touch. Scroll down and tap on Call Audio Routing. Switch it to speaker if any other option has selected. Clean the ear speaker. Take a new soft toothbrush. Gently clean the ear speaker. Don't do it hardly. If any dust and debris inside the speaker, this method helps you to remove them. Turn off Bluetooth. Your audio may be routed to be a Bluetooth device. To turn it off, go to Settings. Next, tap on Bluetooth. Now turn off Bluetooth. Do this via Settings. If you do it via Control Center, Bluetooth will not be turned off completely. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Sometimes it can cause audio glitches. Open up Settings. Next, tap on Accessibility. Tap on Audio Visual. Turn off phone noise cancellation if it's turned on. Restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Reset all settings. This process resets your all customized settings to default settings, but none of your personal data will be deleted. Open Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset all settings. Again, tap Reset all settings to confirm this process. In this way, you can easily fix this issue. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.